on the streets of Bangalore today to find out how people invest in mutual funds. So let's hear what they have to say about different strategies, preferences, and what really matters to them when investing in a mutual fund. Do you invest in mutual funds?
Yeah, I have been investing mostly into mutual funds and stocks.
I started my investment journey from my BTech first year in college.
So I've been investing from last 3-4 years now.
I've been investing since last 10-15 years.
So how do you pick mutual funds, Ajay?
So it's my father's advice that I should invest a bit.
We have a CA.
Initially started by asking people around, then I went to the typical financial influencers on YouTube.
Initially, it was not very heavily research based. It was recommendations and all. And we called him up and we were like, okay, we have funds now and we want you to invest it. One recommendation was good. One recommendation was very poor.
And you've been investing for a long time. So how often do you review your portfolio?
Every 6-month basis or something? Not much. It's just a traditional monthly SIPs.
Yeah, I review it sometimes, like in a month or something.
I don't have the time.
Mutual funds, typically I don't do anything.
I've just invested a bunch of money and the money is just there.
Okay, and have you ever sold a mutual fund?
No, I have not.
Not much.
Sometimes I feel like I need to sell it because I don't want to take the risk. But sometimes I feel like maybe wait for some more months or maybe a year. Then we'll see that we'll.
Okay. Thank you. Alright, so what did we see today? Mutual fund investing isn't a smooth ride. It's like Bangalore traffic. Too many turns, unexpected twists, and most of the time you're just following the person ahead of you thinking, is it a sab pata hai? And let's be real, most of us are either overthinking our investments or completely ignoring them till something goes wrong. And if we break it down, the struggle boils down to 3 key things. 1. Which mutual fund to invest in. 2nd, how do you know if your fund is performing well? And 3rd, when to sell your funds. But what if there was a GPS for your investment telling you exactly where to go, when to speed up, and when to take a U-turn without any guesswork? That's exactly why we built Power Mutual Funds. Now spend only 5 minutes a month to keep your portfolio in its best shape without any stress. Let me show you how. Once you download the Power Up Money app and fetch your portfolio, the first thing that you see here is portfolio performance. Think of it like report card for your mutual funds, telling you what to do next with each of your funds. So यहाँ पे inform means your fund is doing really well. So ज़्यादा सोचो मत, keep investing more. On track means it's a good option to invest more. Off track means don't invest more but don't sell the fund yet. And out of form means sell the fund right away. And for things that need your immediate attention, like your funds going off track or you being stuck in regular mutual funds, we have got you covered with timely alerts through our 24/7 portfolio tracking. And if you have been following our videos, you would know कि regular funds नहीं लेने. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये in-form, out-of-form decide कैसे होता है. So our SEBI registered experts have analyzed each fund for its consistency, volatility and recency with over 20 years of data. The results? Our recommendations have shown 3 to 7% better returns than category averages. Yes, that's real money in your pocket. But I know that past data doesn't guarantee future returns, and neither can we. But what I can assure you is that our experts are on top of the recommendations that we make and do all the hard work so that you don't have to. अब ये तो हुई आपके existing funds की बात. But what if you're looking to invest in new ones? How do you pick the best and skip the rest? That's where our fund performance feature comes in. It gives you a complete picture of how the fund is doing today and how it has performed over the years so that you can check for its consistency. In fact, we have handpicked our top performing funds in our Explore section to make your decision even easier. And if you want to take things up a notch, there's more. Elite helps you build an expert-like portfolio all on your own. More on this coming soon. We have built this keeping you in mind, and we would love to hear what you think. So try the app and let us know in the comments below.
This is actually a cool feature. So basically, you know when to pause the SIP, when to switch on the SIP.
I think this thing that how it's performing in the current scenario is something that gives this edge over the other products.
Well,
It's Power Up, right?
Power Up, yes.
Sure, absolutely, I'll do it.
Perfect.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so much.
Yeah.